Welcome to Citation 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I will create a backlink for my website. So don't skip the video. The website name is brownbook.net. Copy and paste here. Brownbook.net. Search the website. You can look like this interface. Then you can register on the site. I have a already account, so I am just logging. When you create a new account, then you can log in and you can setting your account information. When you set up your account information, then you can paste here your website. That's work a backlink, and that next you can many unlimited website from here. Unlimited backlink can take from the website. Just click on the plus icon and business name, company address, city, zip code, number, company email, and here is your website address. I have a website address. Copy and paste here. No need anything. Here you can give tag, your website related tag. I give some tag. Location you can give. I give my company location. Sorry. Okay, this is my company location, and then click on add. Sorry, here is selected your country. Okay, no error. Now add. You can look my another backlink I have created here, and this way you can add unlimited backlink for your website. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for new video.